Hi guys, wow, look at this car. Don't you think it's a work of art? 它还是很美嘞。After 14 years, still cannot get tired of looking at it. Oh my god. Alright man, okay, enough of that, enough of song. Where am I today right now? Okay, if you guys are my fans, you watch that I've been to this EA detailer for FB Live, right? Today I'm at EA Detailers. What am I doing? Today I'm trying out their Expel. Sorry, Expel what? Yes, I'm trying out their Expel Ultimate Fusion. You come here and paste, you don't know what product you're using. Alright, so today we're going to try it out. We talk the talk, we walk the walk. 我们敢讲就要敢试，老板也要敢支持。谢谢老板。Okay, so today we're gonna see this car having the front portion of PPF lah. Okay, the Ultimate Fusion. Let's take a good look later. You know, just now I asked the boss, hey boss, I come for PPF. How you do polishing? This is not polishing, you tell me. This is surface prep. Huh? Okay, you tell me, a lot of times people complain about their PPF. Wow, it doesn't look so nice, doesn't stick so well because the surface prep wasn't done well. I've seen people's car after doing PPF, rainy day, next thing, wow, after they come home, the PPF all crumpled up in front, you know. But this one, they say after doing the surface prep, okay, it will stick on like a glue. Just now when they helped me wash the car for the car wash, I saw the gentleman, the 大哥 take the brush, go inside. Wow, loo the inside, you know. Wow, first time in a very long while I see my rims. So nice, you know. Inside also very nice. The inside barrel also very nice. Very good. Very comfortable place, very comfortable lounge music, like an art gallery, Woodman Art, Adeline Yo's painting, Artisan Fiji water. What else can you ask for when waiting for your car to be done? Wow. Sibei song. If you follow my page, you know that they enjoyed myself with this toy. I love it, man. This is to give you the song feeling that wow, your car like protected, man. Come, let's play again. This time, this is with PPF. Let's see how it goes. Imagine yourself in North-South Highway. All these pebbles, wow, shoot at your car. Everybody very scared. You know our Mr. Videographer, he go on North-South Highway, he won't follow me so closely because he said, wow, 你的胎很黏一直射石头在我的车 You get what I mean? So he must use PPF. Yeah, you see, this piece is with the PPF protection. We wipe it. Wow, very good, right? Now we're gonna peel off the PPF. The boss say can peel off and see the nakedness. 赤裸裸 哇，血凶血凶Okay, naked one, let's do it. Alright man, now let's see the moment of truth. This is without PPF. Wow, you can see now. Wow, all these holes in the lacquer and everything. Wow, all these holes. Rabak. This is what happened to my car many times when I was on North-South Highway in the past without PPF. So right now people say, Arthur, 按照那里砍烂，那个做 PPF. You know, your one PPF, I can spray my car 10 times. Hello, spray car, yes, the cost is cheaper, but you don't need to put car there. Then you don't have car, you can. I cannot, you know. I don't have car, I really cannot. So I'd rather put protection. Then I know that my car is being loved, ma. 有呵护的女人比较漂亮的，对不对？ This is the truth. Okay, next time come here, you can play this machine. Then you own self shop. Okay, you pay the money, you own self shop. Okay, steady. EA Detailer, what the boss tell me is 一条龙 extensive range of services. If your car is ready, you feel, wow, jialat, the paintwork is already quite rabak, you can come and get your car sprayed. After you spray, he said, you come for detailing. After detailing, of course, you can put PPF. After PPF, the PPF also got PPF coating. Wow. Then after that, once your exterior is coating ready, you take care of your 内在美. Interior sanitization. If you got Xiao Qiang, I see his Xiao Qiang video also very viral on TikTok, okay, on all the social media. And of course, if you ask me, hey, all these things, I don't wanna. I got what? I got Clarity Coat. What is Clarity Coat? It's not a song by Katy Perry or whatever. This is what? People that don't want their car to be touched. Let's say, hey, my paint is a very precious paintwork. No, I don't want you to paste anything over it. Okay, but I want to change color. How? Okay, on top of all those vinyl wraps that you see outside, this is a spray paintwork. Okay, this is sprayed on top. Once you don't want it, you just peel it off. Clarity Coat, they call it Clarity Coat. Paint protection film, EA Detailer also does it. Okay, so if you are keen on any of these services, please contact the number below. All right, man? They'll be very glad to serve you, and you'll see your car really in a different way. Now this is where the challenge is, because this is a very rare car, so they don't have the template to pre-cut the film already, alright, for this car. So right now they are doing the old school way, 最原始的方法. This is called bulk installation. So this is where the skill of the installer comes into place. They cut the size, they paste, they do whatever, their mojo, they trim it to the place and they make sure it's in place, it's intact. So this is the most old school way. Alright guys, it's a grueling 7 hours from 10:30 a.m. all the way till now. Okay, we are finally done. Because we don't have the template, so it took really its man hours, a lot of manual skill labor to get it done, which I'm very happy. Okay, there's still a bit things to be done because a lot of bubbles because they're using the gel. So we'll wait for the thing to settle in, the bubbles will be flat. Alright, so now I'm very confident of going up to Malaysia already. Okay, don't need to worry about the paintwork. So good job by EA Detailers. 加油!